and the nightmare continue. I was able to take the other each shell, but like I said, impossible. Broke the bolt. You see here, all the bolts, they are nut. It's a nut job. Show me one mechanic that can take out the each shell without breaking the bolt, and I'll give him $1,000. You see the way it's welded inside? It's impossible. Look at this one. It's impossible to be able taking this without breaking the bolt. It was destined to break, meaning. And the engineer, Ford, or the company, they already know what they're doing. They make on purpose to break this so you can replace the complete exhaust manifold. So you can replace the complete manifold, so it's more money for them. See the way it's welded inside the manifold? It's on purpose, so you'll be able to replace the complete exhaust manifold. I knew already this job was a nightmare, talking about the back one, but sometimes you need to live to see, and I wanted to see. So all of them, look at that. Tell me who would be able to take this? Show me. Nobody. It's destined to fail. It's destined to break. It was meant to break. They do it on purpose. So I know I'm raging on the bolts, but it's part of the job, because all this is covered by the heat shell, and you need to remove the heat shell if you want to continue the job. So yes, I was able to take the heat shell off. I'm not happy with the bolt breaking, but what can you do? Nothing. Even if you would have removed the complete engine to do this job, it would still break. Nothing you can do. So here you're gonna have to deal with my rent, because I'm the one doing the job, and there's like more job to do. How am I gonna get this? I gotta get to this bolt. Gotta get to a lot of things. This job is not over. I'm gonna grease it up. I can be able to take it out. Hopefully this line will take out. If it's not taking out, guys, I'm telling you, I am breaking it. I don't give a damn. I'll cut it. I'll cut it. I'll do something to it. But if it's not breaking, I'm cutting it. This one too, the black one. If it's not, I'm cutting it. You guys not gonna win, okay? I'm the mechanic, not y'all. I need to talk to Ford engineer. Still a lot of job to do. What? Never give up, guys. Never give up. If you want something, you do it yourself. So this is the third heat shell. You see? At least the front, there was only one. But the back they put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heat shield. Why all that heat shield? Why Ford? I like Ford. Ford is my #1 car, and I don't think I'll ever change. If I get to the Ford GT, I want the Ford GT. This is the engine of the Ford GT. 3.5 EcoBoost twin turbo. It's the base, but still a lot of work to do. I think I'm done with the top. Now I'll start working on the bottom. Start working on the bottom because I think I'm done with the top. Well, except for those cooling line and those oil line.